Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about evergreen blogs, and these are my favorite types of blogs to create. So when you've got an article like a news article, sports articles, sports blogs, these all have to have the most recent updates, relevant information that is relevant in the moment, but then it's gone. Nobody's going to care about the news a couple of days ago in the same way that they will care about it today. However, if you create content that is evergreen content, that's content that's always going to be relevant. Let's say you're writing a blog on growing the perfect tomatoes. You can talk about like lighting conditions, for example, what Kelvin you want to light the tomatoes under. You want to talk about how you're going to make sure you prepare the soil beforehand. Are you going to put potassium nitrate in it? Are you going to, for example, create a special type of water mix for the plant? So for example, using a slice of cucumber or using a slice of banana. You can have all of that kind of information in there, and you can create a really, really well crafted scientific blog which is going to give an information on creating the perfect tomatoes. And now you know my tomato growing secrets. But the thing is, a blog like this is going to be relevant today, tomorrow, and into the near future. And you can actually add to these blogs as well. Let's say you find out something even better, like you're like, oh my God, one day it's like, oh my God, it's like bananas are a herb. I can add that information into the blog. So you can increase your blogs over time and increase like their power and their word count, and they are going to continue being relevant. So when you're creating content that is always going to be relevant, you have something which is you've got something which is compounding rather than expiring. So for example, you got like if you write 5 blogs that have an expiry date, they're going to go and away with the wind. However, if you've got something which is compounding, your blog that you wrote 2 years ago is going to still be getting traffic today. The blog that you write 5 minutes from now is still going to be getting traffic 10 years in the future. This is the kind of content that you want to be producing. So it's always good to go for topics where you know that information is always going to be relevant. Anyway, that's your lesson for today. I hope it helps, and good luck with your blogs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.